Right, in a second I'm going to show you my results from EasyBot, and not only that, I'm going to show you what you should never ever do with any crypto trading bot, because if you do, you will lose money. I'm going to show you my results, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to improve on those results and make even more money with these crypto bots. Now, before I get into that, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll dive right in. Now, EasyBot. I'm absolutely blown away by what these bots do. When I show you my results in a second, I think you will be too, because I've just set them up, let them go, and they just do what they're supposed to do. Now, this is in my Binance account. Let me just give that a little refresh. This is today's profit and loss, and this is last 30 days. Okay, let me just refresh that. It fluctuates all the time as the prices go up and down, but just to prove it's not photoshopped or anything. There you go, it's gone up a little bit. So in the last 30 days, I've made 36.5% profit with the trading bots. All the money in this account is just for the EasyBot trading bots. That's it. I do manual trading, but not with this Binance account. I use KuCoin for that. Now, let me just show you the bots. Now, if you've not seen EasyBot before, you just basically pick your coins that you want and just that they support, and then you just click start. Now, stick with the low capped coins. Now, let me just show you the ones that have made me the most money. So we've got Aave. Aave has been brilliant from day one. $340 profit on that bot. Look at this. Curve, that's another one, $222 profit. Now, if you see here, I've got $5,000 assigned to Aave. I've got $3,000 there. I've got $3,000 there, $5,000 there. In total, I think I've got about $34,000 assigned to the 10 bots. However, if you look, I've only got 8,600 in my Binance account. This is because EasyBot just uses a small amount of your funds. Now, I've only just recently bumped this up. In fact, it was today. I bumped this up to 5,000 from 3,000. And so it's put in an order there. This is the initial amount. So it's put in an order for $181. Now this is it's compounded over the last few weeks, so it's got bigger and bigger. But what happens is, and this is what people are doing wrong, you must not do this. Although I've got that like $34,000 assigned, you've got to keep these bots running. If you can't add further funds, to keep them running, they'll stop. The bots will stop. And what happens is, these bots are designed to work on a pullback, not just when the market's going up, on a pullback. So if it's, look here, this is from yesterday. All these trades are from yesterday. So this is the initial amount. This is before I bumped it up to 5,000. Okay, so this was the initial trade amount, $112. Okay, there was a bit of a pullback, so it pulled back 2%, so it bought again, and then it pulled back 5%, so it bought twice as much again. So you got about $600 sat there. Okay, but I've seen people not keeping the bots going. So what is happening is, they've not got enough funds to back it up. So when there is a pullback, they're letting the bot stop. So basically, the price is still going down, and they're holding on to the coins. You need to let the you need to let the bots do their thing, because if you're holding on to the coins, you just it's called hodling, and your bots aren't working, they're not going to close out, and you're going to have to either take a hit, or you've got to have to sit on your hands and wait for the market to go back up. And depending how far of a pullback, you could be waiting weeks before it goes up. So, guys, just my advice is, if you haven't got a big bag of cash and you want to get started, stick with you get 2 free bots to start with. Okay, I would stick with if you've got a small bag, just stick with I would definitely have Aave on as one of your coins. Okay, and possibly Curve. Now, that's not financial advice, guys. All right, these markets change all the time, but these 2 coins have been solid, absolutely solid. I got rid of. I did have Doge. I had another one that I got rid of. Next coin I'll be getting rid of is DOT, because it's really been real slow, and I'd rather up my ante on the ones that are performing better than stick with something that's not making much movement. You need volatility. The more volatile the coins are, the more money you make. Okay, so don't pick Bitcoin, because it usually only goes up a few percent and then down. Whereas Aave and Curve, they can go up 20% in a day. All right, they can come down 20% in a day as well. So, but your bots are working all the time. This is why you've got to keep them running. All right. Else, if you don't, you're gonna. It can't. These bots close out on winning trades. If you stop it doing what it's doing, you can't. You're stopping it from doing it winning trades for you. All right, so keep them running, guys. That's and take note of my best coins: so Aave, Curve, Matic. Matic's been solid. I've only just recently added that, and look, it's already at $140 nearly. ADA, it's been good. All right, so maybe stick with those. Link's pretty good as well. All right, I've recently added that. Look, it's $132. So stick to it, guys. Now, look at the compounding. Let's go for some compounding. Compounding in money is a must. I mean, the bots do it automatically for you. They do have an option where you can actually switch off. Why you would want to switch compounding off, I don't know. But compound it, guys. So say if you had $2,000, and let's see, what have I made this month? $36, 36%. Sorry, so 36%. Let's say that's a standard. I don't know. It could. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. You know, this is just a rough estimate for, I'll say, 1 year. Okay, compound month. Let's calculate that. That's not a bad return, guys, is it? Is that correct? Crikey, that's massive. Yeah, that looks all set. Right, wow, that even surprised me. I didn't think it'd be as much as that. That is a massive amount. But even at let's say something more. Let's take something a bit lower. Even at 20%, that's still not a bad return, is it, on a $2,000 balance? I'll leave a link below, or just go to thecalculatorsite.com for this and play around with the compounding. If you've got a small bag, you can actually increase it quite well. So I'll stick with the coins that are doing well and that I've shown you. Got any questions, just leave them below. I answer all the questions. I'll leave links to my video on how to fund either your Binance account or your Qcoin account. These bots, at the moment, these bots only run on Binance and Qcoin. They are going to be adding other exchanges. Now, as I said, the money never leaves your trading account. The only money you put into EasyBot is money for, if you want to upgrade, you can have 10 bots, you can have all the bots. Or to pay your winning trade fees, all right? That's it. nothing else. All the money stays on your account. Not like these other Ponzi's and scams out there where they're telling you they're trading your money when really they're just not. They're just running off with it. All right, so you can trust EasyBot. I've met the team online on Zooms, and they have help. They have Zooms for any technical problems you might have if you're having trouble struggling setting up your bots, or you funding your accounts or your Binance account, etc. They will help you. All right, they will guide you. There are videos on how to do it as well in the members area, and there is a compensation plan. I'll do a separate video on that. So if you're interested in marketing, they actually have their own marketing app, which is really good. You can this is one of their marketing apps landing pages that you can use. Fantastic. Honestly, if you want passive income from crypto bots, get EasyBot. You can get 2 bots for free. Honestly, it's a no-brainer, and I'm quite confident this will be making me thousands a month just on the trades without promoting it. So get involved if you want. Let's have a little refresh. See if it's gone up or down. Look, it's gone up a bit more. So we're over $1,800 now. That'll keep fluctuating during the day. Guys, these bots are designed to work in a uptrend and downtrend. This is Bitcoin, and as you can see, massive downtrend. We've had this is the weekly chart. So all these weeks down. These bots are still working. We're starting to get a big weekly candle here. If it's Wednesday today, if this closes out at the end of the week with a big green candle, that'll be a good sign for crypto. That will be a good sign. All right, so I'm using TradingView here, by the way. So I keep a list of all these coins in PayPal, the ones I've actually got trades on at the moment. So if I stop a bot, I'll just uncheck it and change the color, etc. All right, so TradingView is really good, and there's a free version. This is a paid version, but the free version you'll be able to. I think you can keep track of your coins if you want to. It's obviously optional, but I like to know what's going on. All right, but if you've got any questions, guys, leave them below, and get subscribed, because I will be doing more updates on my progress with EasyBot and any updates. They are actually bringing out an improved version of EasyBot, so I don't know the whole ins and outs of that, but it's even going to be even more profitable, so I'm really looking forward to that. Get signed up, test out two trading bots. You get 2 trading bots for free. If you like it, upgrade and get all the bots, or 10 bots, and get these guys working for you. All right.